Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am unboxing a modern buckle for the Apple Watch, which I bought online, and I'm getting a sneaky suspicion that it is fake. So I wanted to do this unboxing and exploration and seeing if this is real or not. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that I fund everything on this channel myself, so if you appreciate that, please do subscribe as it helps out a lot. Alright. Yeah, let's look at this box. It came in a bit damaged, so as you can see here. Looks quite well, I have to say. Doesn't look fake at all. Let me look at another Apple Watch band. So let's look at these boxes side by side. Okay, so first of all, this has a little tab. That's okay when you buy stuff that is separate from the Apple Watch. It comes different. They're about the same size. This looks a bit wider to the naked eye. Okay, let's look at the back. So looks pretty genuine. Okay, all right, let's get this out of the way for a second and open this up. Even the tab and everything looks so real. But what's giving this away as fake is because I've got the real ones from Apple that are real. The hooks and the buckle itself, they're in silver, not in black. So wow, look at this. They've given it real attention to detail. But this never happens with Apple itself. This sits inside somewhere in here. It doesn't sit out. Okay. Let's look at this. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Normally there's some sort of metal bit in here that makes it hard. Alright. Looks pretty promising so far. Okay. Looks pretty promising. Okay. Alright. That's basically it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys... I can't tell if it's real or not, yeah? Okay. And I guess that's the art of it. But things like this, little things like this sticky tape being on this side is giving it away as fake, you know? Like, Apple doesn't do this sort of stuff. Like, why would they have a sticky tape that's facing the wrong way? This has no sticky tapes at all. If you guys are interested, I will like to do a video on this with this compared to the real Apple ones that I know I got them from Apple store, whereas these ones I've got on eBay, and just do an apples to apples comparison and yeah, check out if these are real or not. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that in the comments below. Give it a like. Thank you for watching it today. Take good care. Bye bye.